My name's Ed Tate. I'm a professor of chemical biology at Imperial College in the Department of Chemistry. And my work really integrates chemistry and biology together. So we do a lot of work with medics and a lot of work with biologists. But our team is primarily chemists, and we're using the kind of expertise of chemistry to reach out into those other areas. What I tend to find in our work is that we're developing tools through our research that allow us to reach out to other partners. So if we make a chemical or particular technology, we can then send that out very easily to collaborators around the world, and we sign contracts with companies, but we also send materials out to academic groups. And in pretty much every continent around the world, our chemicals are in labs answering questions in biology that we wouldn't have the resource to answer at Imperial. But we have that critical link then to those labs, and often that then comes back to us later with collaborations down the line. So I think it allows us to amplify what we do. So we can do a lot at Imperial, of course, because it's a great multidisciplinary environment, but there's a lot of things that Imperial doesn't do, and that if we've got a particular piece of research, we can then amplify its impact in the world by sending it out to 10 different labs instead of one lab at Imperial. So we get 10 times the output of research, and it's really an altruistic undertaking. We're not out to get money from this. We're really just trying to accelerate research around the world in environments where they don't have our chemistry, but we don't have their biology. I mean, it's critical to be able to make those international connections. It's still a challenge to find the resource to do that kind of work, but it's often through the transfer of people between labs. So somebody will come from a lab from another part of the world to my lab for a few months, and that will establish the collaboration, and they'll do some work with me and then take that back to their home lab. So it's often through the exchange of people as well as ideas that this can be done.